Hello guys, my name is Riando Sangkoy. I'm a student at Manado State University, Faculty of Engineering, majoring in Informatics Engineering. So, I want to explain about IELTS. IELTS to introduction is internal English in language testing system. Language test system, the word most popular international Britain for studies, work and immigration. In the last year, there were over 2.9 million tests taken. The valid results of the IELTS are recognized by more than 10,000 organizations, including educational institutional institutions, companies, professional associations, and governments in 145 countries worldwide. The standardized test content of the IELTS was developed by international team of experts and through extensive research to ensure that tests remained fair and without bias for any competitor without nationality, background, types, lifestyle, or location. You can follow the explosive or general training IELTS conditions for the registration of your institution as well as your plans for the future. If you plan to study or move to Great Britain, you should take the IELTS test approved by British VSA Authority and Immigration known as IELTS for UKVI. So, listening, the module comprise 4 sections with 10 questions in each section. It takes 40 minutes, 30 to for testing plus 10 for transferring the answer to an answer sheet. Section 1 and 2 are about everyday social situations. Section 1 has a conversation between two speakers, or for example a conversation about travel arrangements. Section 2 has one person speaking. Section 3 and 4 are about educational and training situation. Is a conversation between two main speakers. Section 4 has one person speaking about an academic subject. Each section begins with a short introduction telling the test taker about the situation and the speakers. Then they have some time to look through the question. The questions are in the same order as the information in the recording. So the answer to the first question will be before the answer to the second question. And so what do I do? The first 3 sections have a break in the middle, allowing test takers to look at the remaining question. Each section is heard only once. Reading. The reading paper has 3 sections and text totaling. There will be a variety of question types, such as multiple choice, short answer question, identifying information, identifying writer's view, labeling diagrams, completing a summary using words taken from the text. and matching information or head headings or features in the text or sentence ending. Test takers should be careful when writing down their answer, as they will lose marks for incorrect spelling and grammar. Text in IELTS Academic. 3. Reading texts which come from books, journals, magazines, newspapers, and online resource written for non-specialist audience. All the topics are of general interest to students at a undergraduate or postgraduate level. Text in IELTS General Training. Section 1 contains 2 or 3 short texts or several short texts. Deal with everyday topics, for example, timetables or notice. Section 2 contains 2 texts which deal with work, for example, job description, contract, training materials. Section 3 contains 1 long text about a topic of general interest. The text is generally descriptive, longer and more complex than the text in section 1 and 2. The text will be taken from a newspaper, magazine, book, or online research. Writing. The writing paper has 2 texts which must be complete in test 1 text taker. Write at least 150 words and in about 20 minutes. In test takers, write at least 250 words in about 40 minutes. Test should be written in full sentence. IELTS Academic. Text 1. Test takers describe a graph, table, chart, map, process, pie chart, or diagram in their own words. Text 2. Test takers discuss a point of view, argument, or problem depending on the task. Test taker may be required to present a solution to a problem, present and justify an opinion, compare and contrast evidence, opinion and implication, and evaluate and challenge ideas, evidence, or an argument. IELTS General Training. Task 1. Test taker write a letter in response to a given everyday situation. For example, writing to an accommodation officer about problems with your accommodation. Writing to a new employer about problems managing your time. Writing to a local newspaper about a plan to develop a local airport. Text 2. Test taker write an essay about a topic of general interest. For example, whether smoking should be banned in public place, whether children leisure activities should be educational, how environmental problems can be solved. Speaking. The speaking test is a face-to-face interview between the test taker and an examiner. The speaking test contains 3 sections. Section 1. Introduction and interview, 4 to 5 minutes. Test takers may be asked about their home, family, work, studies, hobby, interest, reason for taking IELTS exam, as well as other general topics such as clothing, free time, computer, and the internet. Section 2, long-term 3 to 4 minutes. Test takers are given a task card about a particular topic. Section 3, discussions 4 to 5 minutes. The third section involves a discussion between the examiner and the test taker, generally on a question relating to the theme which they have already spoken about in section 2. Next, scoring. The test taker receives a score for each test component to listening, reading, writing, and speaking. The individual scores are then averaged and rounded to produce an overall band score. Band scale, there is no pass or fail. IELTS is scored on a 9-band scale, with each band corresponding to a specified competence in English. Overall band scores are reported to the nearest half band. The following rounding convention applies if the average across the 4 skills ends in 9 expert user has full operational command of the language, accurate and fluent with complete understanding. 8. Very good user has fully operational command of the language with only occasional inaccuracy and inappropriations. Handles complex, detailed argumentation well. Good user 7 has operational command of the language, talk with occasional inaccuracies, inappropriateness, and misunderstandings in some situations. Generally handle complex language well and understand detailed reasoning. 6. Competent user has generally effective command of the language despite some inaccuracies, can use and understand fairly complex language, particularly in familiar situations. Modest user 5. Has partial command of the language, coping in with overall meaning in most situations. Talk is likely to make many mistakes, should be able to handle basic communication in on field. 4. Limit user basic competence is limited to familiar situation, has frequent problems in understanding and expression, is not able to use complex language. 3. Extremely limited user conveys and understands only general meaning in very familiar situation. Frequent breakdowns in communication occur. 2. Intermittent user. No real communication is possible except for the most basic information using isolated words or short formula in situation and to meet immediate needs, has great difficulty understanding spoken and written English. 1. Non-user essentially has no ability to use the language beyond possibly a few isolated words. 0. Did not attempt the test. No accessible information provided at all. Useful books: Cambridge IELTS 3 with answer insight into IELTS, Vanessa Jackman and Claire McDowell. So, example of writing test: students should continue their study abroad, then to study at home. To what extent you agree or disagree with the statement. Give reasons for your answer and include any relevant example from your own knowledge or experience. Okay, thank you for watching.